Students understand how sounds are put together to make a word, or how a word can be segmented into sounds in phonological awareness. Alliteration, rhyming, blending, segmenting, and manipulation are taught under phonological awareness. Today we will look into one of the 9 types of manipulation where students delete the end sound. This activity is about deleting the end sound. Now the other 8 of types of manipulation are adding a sound in the beginning, middle, and end, deleting a sound from the beginning, middle, and end, and changing the sound, the beginning sound, middle sound, and the end sound. Please make sure to provide each student with a copy of Elkonin boxes or sound boxes and a few counters to show the sounds. Each one is a sound box, and this is a sound that students will place to segment a word. These counters and boxes help students visualize sounds. Now, teacher holds these cards. Students need not see these cards because students are practicing how to segment sounds into words, not letters. This is phonological awareness and not phonics. Now say the word plane. Students repeat plane, segment plane. P, O, A, N, plane. Now delete N in the end. Now say the word P, O, A, play. Say the word wait. Children repeat wait. Segment wait. A, T, wait. Delete T in the end. Now read the word A, way. Say the word flute. Children repeat flute. Segment flute. F, O, U, T, flute. Delete T in the end. Now say the word F, O, U, flu. Say the word tote. Children repeat tote. Segment tote. T, O, T, tote. Delete T in the end. Read the word T, O, toe. Say the word race. Children repeat race. Segment race. A, S, race. Now delete S in the end. Now read the word A, ray. Say the word growth. Children repeat growth. Segment growth. G, O, th. Delete th in the end. Now read the word G, O, grow. Say the word seat. Children repeat seat. Segment seat. S, E, T. Delete T in the end. Now read the word S, E, C. Say the word teal. Children repeat teal. Segment teal. T-E-O. Teal. Delete O in the end. Now read the word tea. Say the word globe. Children repeat globe. Segment globe. G-O-O-B. Globe. Now delete B in the end. Now read the word G-O-O. Glow. Say the word main. Children repeat main. Segment main. Main. Delete in the end. Now read the word may.